Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to take care of your Samsung TV using device care. So first take your remote and then here select the gear icon and then select the up button on your remote and then go all the way to the right to go to the settings. All settings is the one that you want to choose. Then here select the support, then go to the device care. Okay, it will start to do some checking on your device. I have previously done the device care, that's why it says good. But for you, if this is your first time, click on start device care. It will take some time and it will try to check everything on your Samsung TV and then it will give you a report. So you just have to wait for hours to finish. Okay, so everything is fine except it says like auto power off is enabled, which is a good thing. That's what I wanted to do, but the device care is showing you too. Okay, but if you want to do the diagnosis by yourself, you can choose the self diagnosis and then click, and then you'll be able to see the options. You just select the one that you want to choose and then you will be able to test it by yourself. So I chose the sound test. So it is playing a music and it's telling me if the volume level is correct. I just increased the level of the sound and I can see here that the sound is increasing. Okay, so this is how you do sound test or like device care on your Samsung TV. If you want to choose others, you can do it by yourself. If you have any questions, please leave them below on the comment section. Thanks a lot.